The BMW Z4 is a luxury sports car that embodies the essence of open-top driving pleasure. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and advanced technology, the Z4 has become an icon in the world of convertible sports cars. Introduced in 2002 as a successor to the BMW Z3, the Z4 has undergone several generations of refinement and innovation, cementing its place as a highly desirable vehicle for driving enthusiasts. Of course, one of the defining features of the BMW Z4 is its striking exterior design. The car's low wide stance, sculpted lines, and aggressive front grille give it a sporty and dynamic appearance. The long hood, short overhangs, and muscular rear end contribute to its athletic profile, hinting at the performance capabilities that lie beneath the surface. Whether the retractable large top is up or down, the Z4 exudes a sense of style and elegance that turns heads wherever it goes. Inside the cabin, the BMW Z4 offers a driver-focused environment that blends luxury and sportiness. High-quality materials such as premium leather and aluminum accents create an upscale atmosphere. The ergonomically designed cockpit puts all essential controls within easy reach, allowing the driver to focus on the road ahead. The seats are comfortable and supportive, providing an enjoyable driving experience even during spirited cornering. Under the hood, the BMW Z4 offers a range of powerful engine options that deliver exhilarating performance, from turbocharged 4-cylinder engines to potent inline 6 power plants. The Z4 offers a variety of choices to suit different driving preferences. The engines are mated to smooth and responsive transmissions, whether it be a manual gearbox or a quick shifting automatic. With its lightweight construction and well-tuned suspension, the Z4 delivers impressive handling and agility. Precise steering and responsive brakes further enhance the driving dynamics, allowing the driver to enjoy a thrilling and engaging experience on both winding roads and open highways. Additionally, the Z4 offers selectable driving modes, enabling the driver to customize the car's performance characteristics to their liking. The BMW Z4 is not just a car, it's a symbol of freedom, luxury, and exhilaration. With its captivating design, thrilling performance, and advanced technology, the Z4 offers a truly immersive and enjoyable driving experience.